Hello, ESL2 students. I am recording this as instructions for doing your own outline. If you have not already completed the previous assignment, which was when you were coding my essay for the parts of the essay, please do that first. It's going to be a lot more clear. So last time what I had you do is read my example essay and then code it, color code it for all the different parts, for the hook, for the subject, for the thesis sentence. Each body paragraph had a topic sentence and supporting evidence, and then the conclusion has the restatement of the evidence and the something to remember. So today you are going to start doing your own expository assignment, expository essay outline. So in the assignment, you have the exact same thing, and you are just going to keep replacing the little descriptors with the actual work. I'm going to show you that in a minute. So in Schoology, the assignment is called Outline for Expository Essay. This again is a Google Doc. So I am going to link how to do this again. But the biggest thing is make sure, one, you are using the app and not the web interface. The web interface doesn't work very well with Google Docs. And two, when you are connecting to Google, you are using your @mypanthers.org email. Those things are important. In my 11th grade class, we got everybody on just fine. So I know it can be done, and I know it has been done this week. You just need to follow the directions very carefully. I will attach the directions for using the Google Doc to this assignment again, so make sure you watch that if you haven't, okay? So back to the explanation. So your outline for the expository essay assignment looks just like this. You're first going to work on the first part of your body paragraph. And what you're going to do is you're going to go back to the previous assignment where you made a presentation about yourself. So this was my first slide that I made, all about my family and how much they mean to me. And so based on that slide, what I wrote as the topic sentence for my first body paragraph was, if you spend any time with me, you will know that I am very dedicated to my family. Okay? And that just comes from what I saw here. My next slide was about growing up in the town. That's my little high school. I think that's my actual town, though it's been a while since I've been there, honestly. So what I wrote in my second one, for my second body paragraph, my topic sentence, besides my family, one of the biggest influences on me has been my small town background. And then my third one was about my job, my old staff, and the new people who I work with. And so in topic 3, body paragraph, I replaced the topic sentence descriptor with, as an adult, the biggest part of my life other than my family is my job, teaching. So once I've done my 3 body paragraph topic sentences, the thesis statement then becomes really easy. So if you go up to the first paragraph, the introduction, you can even like copy the beginning. The three of my most important character traits are, and then list what your 3 topics are of your body paragraphs. It's really actually pretty easy. So you're going to go back to your assignment. You're going to replace the 2A, 3A, 4A with your topic sentences, and then you're going to write your thesis statement very much using the format that I have. Do not submit it, okay? I'm going to look at the assignments and look what you have done, but do not submit them, or else I'll have to unsubmit it. It's not a huge deal, but it's just more trouble than it's worth. So just write it in and leave it as it is, okay? All right, so I will talk to you later today. Hopefully, I will open my class for questions later today, and hopefully we'll get this done.